Alright guys, well it's a beautiful day. It's Monday and you learn a lot when you're welding on rust and crust. So Napoleon's hat, gonna have to put a patch piece in there. I did put a little, I had that hole over there. I got that welded up. I gotta, grind that out a little bit more. But I'm plugging away on it. Gonna get the cross brace out right now. And hopefully get some pans in this thing soon. Get it cleaned up and get some pans in it. That's where I'm at. Give me the rust and crust. Alright, what else you got on here? Alright, now we get this piece off. This is what I was hoping not to have to replace. I was hoping to just have the pan lip in here and I could just lay the pan in, drill some holes in the pan, tack, 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 a rooski. But that's not the case. So yeah, we gotta get these cross braces off. So, like I said, I've never done this before, so let's see how this goes. Your guess is as good as mine. Well, your guess is better than mine, I'm sure. This is another problem down here. I got this little support. I don't even know what's under there. I think there's a support. Well, you see the arm here. You guys know, but I think there's, we'll have to see once we get this off. We'll flip this over and see if there doesn't feel like there's anything in there. Maybe it just sits on this little arm here. I have to drill some, maybe it's just spot welded on. We'll have to clean that up and see what we find. Guys, all I can tell you is there's good fun to be had in rust and crust, okay? There is, promise. It's not too far gone. Again, let me reiterate. If I said that correctly, I do not know. I do not know what I'm doing. Okay? So keep that in mind. So far, great purchase, by the way. 3-pound sledge, chisel set. I know, air chisel. I've got to actually have an air chisel. I've never used at the other garage. It would make quick work of this, but I'm doing it this way because this is what we got. Have So if you seasoned guys have any advice for the other side, please let me know in the comments below. I greatly appreciate it. Yeah! Thor! There you have it. There you have it. I mean, we are we're almost done. All right. I really want to take this one support panel I have out, but I can't because you know it's holding this body together. I know, we all want angle iron welded in. It's coming. It's coming. Promise. You're right. You're right. We need to support this body. So it looks like we have some spot welds on that support brace. So we're going to use the spot weld cutter and we're going to drill those out. Thank you, Will, for the recommendation, sir. I appreciate it. Awesome, awesome tool to have. And thank all you guys for all your advice and recommendations. Nice, that worked awesome. Alright, well I got that piece off. I can't see. Shadows. Not sure, I wish I had the other pan here because I could have looked at the pan to see if this was part of the pan or if that was part of the arm. That would suck if I cut the, yeah, that looks like part of the arm, man. I will learn on the next one. Damn. I should have looked under there. Anyway, well, that's off. Hey guys, I don't have much more time, but I'm gonna go ahead and, well, I got the welder out, try to fill those up in the front Napoleon hat there. We'll get the grinder on that and keep going.
Oh, nice.
What do you think? Huh?
You have too much space.
Too much space?
Yes.
No? Check out the fire. Oh, thumbs down? Check out the firewall.
Still, thumbs down.
Thumbs down? Alright, well.
Okay, this.
Half and half? 50-50? 2 thumbs up?
Yes.
Alright.
I'm gonna go get ready for my game.
Alright. Alright, we're off to baseball. But I just want to throw this pan in here. See how it fits. Gotta pull it out, you know, grind down those welds. Clean up the firewall. Cut the rest of that heater channel out. Not sure if I'm gonna use these pans. I got these from one of my ovals, I think. Got a little rust and crust over there we gotta address later. But overall, super stoked to see a floor pan in here. It's progress, man. So thank you guys for all the comments, likes, and support. I can't say thank you enough because I've never done this before and I'm having a great time and I'm learning and I'm loving it. So thank you guys. I hope you have a great day. Take care.